What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I've said in the previous video, we're going to be working on my girlfriend's car, the 2016 Fiat Punto. We're going to be changing the oil and all the filters. The workshop, as you can see, it's bright and the paint turns out just fine. I've changed something in the lights, put more lights and white lights to give you guys the best experience. So we already have the tools set. We're gonna lift the car and we'll get ready to work. So let's go. So guys, now that the car is already lifted up and in the jack stands with a safety pin, of course, we're gonna start the actual job. I'm gonna start by draining all the oil by the sunk. It's my first time using this. Let's see how it works. So guys, while the oil is draining, let's change all the filters on the top side of the engine. The pollen filter on these Fiat Puntos, sorry for the mess guys, I'm gonna clean it up later. So the pollen filter is right over there. Let me get the flashlight. Okay, it's a little bit tricky to get to it. There it is guys, it's just a couple of clips, 3 clips, and this one is here, slides in later. So there it is, the cabinet, the pollen filter is right on this, as you can see. I'm gonna need a set of tools to get this out, so let me get it. So that is done. That was tough guys. So now let's put the plastics back in and get moved on to something else. oil filter is changed. Now what is left is to pour the oil and we're done. I already tightened up the drainage plug on the sunk, so we are ready to pour in our oil and close up, and we'll be done for the day. So, now that all things are in place, let's start the car up, warm it up and see if it needs a little bit of oil. So the car has run for about 5 minutes. Let's see if it needs more oil or it is okay. That's it, guys. All the oils and filters are done. So now what is left is the spark plugs. But before all that, I'm gonna clean all this mess. I don't like working on a mess like this. So see you in a little bit. So guys, now that the workshop is all clean, let's start doing the spark plugs change. Here they are. I ordered today a dynamometer wrench to torque this up to spec. I hope it arrives today. When it arrives, we're going to change the spark plugs. So let's do this. It's a couple of days later. The torque wrench took a couple of days to come in. Also, I have not have any time to work on the car. I've been busy with my day job, as sort of speaking. So this is the wrench I've picked up. It is good to 110 Newton meters. Okay, here are the spark plugs and some anti-seize. So in the future, if needed to take off the spark plugs, it can be easy and they are not seized in. So let's get to the job. So guys, now that the spark plugs are changed, I have done some final checks to the car and have noticed that this light is out. We're gonna need to change that. So I already bought some replacement lights. Let me get them to show you. I get this one. The brand is blue Philips, and supposed to be brighter and whiter also. I thought, why not replace both of them for a better light? Why not? So let's start with this. So first of all, we need to take out the plastic cap that is guarding, as if said, the light. So next we need to get this connector out. Just to push it, it's gonna be a little difficult. It's been here for many years. Okay, that's done. Let's set that aside. Now there's a pin here that we're gonna need to take out to the side and down. Now the light is gonna slide out just like that. This is the light that is malfunctioning. We're gonna replace that, and before I replace the other one, I'm gonna see the difference between the lights. So this is a new light. This is the old one, so you can see the difference. Okay, let's get the new one in place. Let's see how it fits. It needs to be fitted just as how the other one was. Okay, I think that's it. Now put the pin. Okay, it's in place. Now the connector. Okay, and now the final thing is the cap. So that is done. Now let's see the difference between the two lights. Let's see the difference. Okay, this one is the old one. You can see it is yellow, and this is the new one. It's white. It's not as white as it should be because of the other light that is next to it. That light there, it's still yellow. Maybe in the future I'm gonna change that. But the beam is a lot whiter than in the other one. After I change both of them, I'm gonna see how the beam is gonna turn out to be. So let's get the other one changed. There it is. The lights are much brighter. The only thing that is ruining it, all the bright light, is that light over there, that little one. As you can see, it is still yellow. We're gonna have to change that in the future, but not right now because I have not bought any of that light. It's gonna be cheap. That light is it's a regular light. It's gonna be cheaper than this one. This one was 20 bucks. It's not very much, and it's giving it a very bright light. I have also bought some lights to change in the daylights that this car has. As it is running, it always has these lights on, as I can show you. If I turn off the lights, the other ones come on, and they are yellow as yellow can be. I have bought some LEDs to replace. Let's see if they match, because I'm not certain that I have got the right light. Let's see. So guys, after all, the lights didn't work on this car. They were cheap, so not very big of a problem. In the future maybe I will buy them, the correct ones, and put them in the car. But as of right now, let's get to finish up the car with a cleanup on the interior, and we'll be done with it. So let's do this. So that's it for the Punto. It's all finished up. It's ready for a couple more miles without touching it. It's all cleaned up and ready to my girlfriend to come and pick it up. Now for the next video I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be working on. It's actually my car. It needs some brakes, new brake pads. We're gonna be changing it. The car is right here. This is my car, Ford Fiesta, 2018 Ford Fiesta. Going to be changing its brake pads. They are worn, very worn, and making some noises. So that's it, guys, for this video. See you in the next one. Hope you like it. Please give your thoughts down below in the comments. I see you in the next one.